Hello food lovers! Welcome to another episode of your favorite show, Foods Around the Globe. Today we are taking you on a culinary journey to Malaysia. A land known for its rich cultural background, Malaysia offers a diverse and flavorful array of dishes. From the bustling streets of Kuala Lumpur to the peaceful countryside, every corner of Malaysia has a unique culinary tale to tell. So buckle up as we delve into the world of Malaysian cuisine. Starting off our list is none other than the national dish of Malaysia, Nasi Lemak. This dish is a gastronomic delight, a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. Imagine a plate of fluffy, coconut milk-infused rice served with a hearty dollop of spicy sambal. It's accompanied by crunchy peanuts, crispy anchovies, a perfectly boiled egg, and refreshing cucumber slices. The taste is a unique blend of creamy, spicy, and tangy with a hint of sweetness. The fragrance of pandan leaves used in the cooking process adds a whole new dimension to this culinary masterpiece. It's a dish that's not just eaten, but experienced. A dish that truly represents the essence of Malaysia, Nasi Lemak is a must-try for any food lover. Next up, we have Kaki Tio, a popular noodle dish in Malaysia. Hailing from the bustling street markets of Penang, this dish's name literally translates to stir-fried rice cake strips. But don't let that simple description fool you. Kaki Tio is a symphony of flavors and textures, with flat rice noodles stir-fried in a hot wok with soy sauce, chili, prawns, cockles, bean sprouts, and egg. The secret to its irresistible taste lies in the wok hei, or breath of the wok, a unique smoky flavor achieved by stir-frying on high heat. It's no wonder Malaysians from all walks of life cherish this dish with its perfect balance of spicy, savory, and sweet notes. For anyone seeking a flavorful noodle dish, Kaki Tio is an excellent choice. Coming in at number 3 is Satay, a well-known Malaysian street food. Satay is a culinary delight that has earned its place in the hearts of locals and tourists alike. It's a simple dish at its core, made up of skewered and grilled meat, served with a delicious peanut sauce. But don't let its simplicity fool you. The taste is anything but. The meat, which can be anything from chicken to lamb, is marinated in a mixture of spices and herbs, infusing it with a flavor that's uniquely Malaysian. Grilled to perfection, each bite is a burst of smoky, savory goodness. Served with a side of cucumber and rice cakes, Satay is a clear testament to the rich flavors and diversity of Malaysian street food. And next on our list is Roti Kanai, a type of Indian-influenced flatbread. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, this masterpiece has intricately woven itself into the fabric of Malaysian cuisine. It's a beautiful symphony of crispy, flaky layers on the outside, with a soft, chewy texture on the inside. Its versatility is truly remarkable. It can be savored plain or paired with an array of curries, from lentil dal to spicy chicken curry. Some even enjoy it with a sprinkle of sugar for a sweet twist. You'll find it being expertly flipped and folded at roadside stalls, local coffee shops, and high-end restaurants. From breakfast to supper, Roti Kanai is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. At number 5, we have Luxa, a spicy noodle soup that's a staple in Malaysia. This dish is a harmonious blend of spicy, sour, sweet, and salty flavors, served with rice noodles or vermicelli and garnished with fresh herbs. There are 2 main types of Luxa: curry Luxa and asam Luxa. Curry Luxa has a coconut milk base, giving it a rich, creamy texture, while asam Luxa is tamarind-based, creating a sour, tangy broth. Whether it's the spiciness from the chili, the creaminess from the coconut milk, the tanginess from the tamarind, or the freshness from the herbs, every spoonful of Luxa is an explosion of flavors. It's a dish that's not just eaten, but experienced. Luxa truly embodies the spicy and flavorful nature of Malaysian cuisine. Next up is Biryani Rice, a flavorful and aromatic rice dish. A culinary masterpiece with roots tracing back to the Indian subcontinent, Biryani Rice has found a cherished place on Malaysian platters. The preparation of this dish is an art in itself. Long-grain basmati rice is meticulously cooked with a medley of spices, tender chunks of meat, and a splash of saffron for that signature golden hue. Each grain of rice holds a burst of flavors that dances on the tongue. Across Malaysia, you'll find variations of biryani rice, each region adding its unique twist, reflective of its cultural diversity. The popularity of biryani rice is undeniable, a testament to its delicious complexity. Biryani rice is a dish that's sure to satisfy any food lover's palate. At number 7, we have bak kut teh, a delicious pork rib dish. This Malaysian delicacy comes from the Hokkien dialect, translating to meat bone tea. Don't be fooled by the name though, there's no tea in the dish itself, but it's traditionally served with a pot of strong oolong. The dish is a blend of succulent pork ribs simmered for hours in a broth infused with herbs and spices. The preparation method gives it a complex, satisfying flavor that balances the richness of the meat. Star anise, garlic, and white pepper are some of the key ingredients, offering a unique, comforting taste. It's not just about the flavors, but also about the experience, the aroma, the warmth of the broth, the tender meat falling off the bone. Bak kut teh is a dish that provides comfort and warmth, making it a must-try. Coming in at number 8, we have Hoky Me, a flavorful noodle dish. Originating from China's Fujian province, Hoky Me has been embraced and reinvented in Malaysia, becoming a beloved staple. Prepared with thick yellow noodles, this dish is stir-fried in a fragrant mix of soy sauce, creating a melody of savory flavors. It's typically topped with a medley of ingredients like prawns, pork, squid, and vegetables, and served with a lime wedge and a dollop of spicy sambal. Its popularity in Malaysia has soared, with locals and tourists alike flocking to night markets and street food stalls to relish this noodle delight. Hoky Me is a dish that truly captures the essence of Malaysian noodle dishes. At number 9, we introduced Cendol, a popular Malaysian dessert. This sweet delight is an iconic and much-loved treat that is as much a part of the Malaysian culinary landscape as any savory dish. Imagine a bowl filled with shaved ice, doused with creamy coconut milk and a generous drizzle of palm sugar syrup. Nestled within this icy concoction are small green jelly noodles made from rice flour and colored with pandan leaf extract. The result? An exquisite blend of flavors and textures that tickle your taste buds while providing a cooling respite from the tropical heat. The sweetness of the palm sugar, the creaminess of the coconut milk, and the chewy texture of the jelly noodles come together to create an experience that's truly unique. Cendol is a refreshing dessert that perfectly concludes any Malaysian meal. Last but not least, we have Teh Taric, a hot milk tea beverage. Originating from Malaysia, Teh Taric has become a beloved drink not just locally, but globally. Its name, which translates to pulled tea, is inspired by the mesmerizing process of its preparation. The tea is poured back and forth between two vessels from a height, creating a frothy top that enhances its flavor. This unique preparation method is not just a technique, but a performance that adds to the overall experience. Teh Taric is more than just a drink. It's a symbol of Malaysian hospitality and a testament to the country's rich and diverse culinary heritage. Whether you're starting your day or ending a meal, Teh Taric is a beverage that perfectly complements any Malaysian dish. That concludes our culinary journey to Malaysia. We've savored the delightful Nasi Lemak, relished the smoky Kaki Tio, indulged in the succulent Satay, and unraveled the crispy delight of Roti Kanai. We've also discovered the tangy Luxa, aromatic Biryani Rice, hearty bak kut teh, flavorful Hoky Me, and sweet refreshing Cendol. Finally, we topped off our feast with the frothy Teh Taric. Each dish underscores the diversity and richness of Malaysian cuisine. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Foods Around the Globe for more culinary journeys. Until next time, happy eating.